Smart Brothers mixtape, nigga.
Yo, put that juicy on them. Do it like I own it.
So what's up? Your girl is back with Katika Black Baby by OUTRE here. Yes, Katika in 1B. I've had her before, and so I had to come through with the 1B. Okay, this is something new. Got that L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. I haven't seen anybody use this on their lace, so this is my first time. I suggest actually only doing 2 layers, to be honest with you, just so that it doesn't run, and also making sure that you're like brushing it in and letting it dry so that it will last. It says it'll last up to 2 washes. I haven't tried that yet, but I like the way it looks. There you are. So this is the cap. I did that off camera. I also plucked and washed it off camera, and I kept the baby hair out when I plucked it. So yes, right here, I'm making sure that my unit is on all the way correctly. Also, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like videos like this, okay? But like I was saying, you want to make sure that you get your unit on there so that you don't have no carpet snakes, so that when you are installing your unit, it is as flat as possible so that it gives natural hairline. Okay? You want your glues to be thin layers. As you can see, I'm not using very much glue at all. Also, I do have a fan on under me because of the humidity. So if you have high humidity, make sure that you have some sort of fan, AC, something making sure that it gets cool so that your unit will cure, because it won't cure, okay, if you don't. So I'm just going through making sure I'm putting multiple layers. I wanted Katika to stay on. And so I normally do about 3 or 4 layers, depending on how long I want it to hold. If I want it to hold for about 4 days, I'll do about 3 layers. I do sweat, and I live in Washington State, so it is a very humid place. So honey, I doubt I will get more than a week anyways. But making sure that your unit is not stuck to your forehead with glue is very important. As you can see, I'm combing through, making sure, hey look, no sticking to my hairline. So I'm going through doing the same thing on the side, and I'll go through and do the same thing on the other side. So just keep watching. You see what I mean by pulling it? Make sure you pull it down so that your unit fits how you want it to. I also wanted to give my eye like that little cat eye or cheeky look, so that's also a good way to get that look. I cannot stress enough, comb that glue through. Brush and comb that glue through. Nobody wants a hard hairline. Now, do y'all see how thin the glue is? I truly did not use a blow dryer in this install. Yes, I had a fan right underneath me. I had the painter's fan right underneath me. However, If your layers are thin enough, you will not need a blow dryer like that. And that's real. Now we're gonna go through with the EBIN spray. I suggest if you're gonna use any of the EBIN products, make sure all the colors match, because obviously there's a reason why they're color coded, okay? You wanna make sure you're using the products that match so that they don't contradict each other. Now to get the ultimate melt, I believe once you've gotten your unit on there, go ahead and do another layer of spraying. And I do this so that, like, I know my joints on there. I need to make sure. And again, can't stress enough, comb and brush your hairline after you're gluing. You don't want a hard hairline. And that'll help prevent that as well. Sometimes you just can't prevent it, but try and prevent it as much as possible. I'm feeling the hairline. It's really giving. Now I'm just gonna go through and cut my hairline. The hairline came out a little bit straighter than I anticipated, even with me trying to do the jagged edge, and sometimes it does that. As a beginner, you'll get down how it is that you get that jagged edge, okay? No install is ever perfect. Just make it look like it's coming out your scalp, period, okay? So I felt like it wasn't all the way on, so I didn't want to keep cutting that lace off. So I'm gonna just tie it down and cut it off camera. You know what I'm saying? Because again, I had to get dressed, I gotta go. And normally that's what the case is. But this would have looked like after I installed it. I'm really feeling the hairline. And now let's get into as well a day later, okay?
This is the next day. This is what it looks like the next day, you know? Still looking good. Still giving. Don't come for me. I just woke up and I'm stuffy. So yeah, voice all jacked up. But so what? Look at that hair though. Yeah. Popping like popcorn. Look at that shit. I am liking this hair. I love Katika. Katika just gives me, she give me life. I don't know. Like, y'all got units that give you life. If y'all got a unit that give you life, put it down there. You know what I'm saying? But
Money up, what he screaming? Fuck with me, fuck with me, fuck with me. Let's get it money, fuck with me, fuck with me. You know I used to drive my Chevy like a bitch.